In this video, I'll show you how you can create a group in Roblox. And this is super simple, guys. In this video, I'll show you how to create a group in Roblox. Now this is super simple, guys. So let's get straight into it. First, you want to head over to roblox.com. From in here, you want to go to groups on the left-hand side, open up, and from in here, you can search for groups. Now, if you don't want to join any of these, you can create your own up here. Just keep in mind that it does cost 100 Robux if you want to create a group. So let's get in here, name your group, put a description if you want. You can select an image, and then you can choose if you want manual approval, which means you have to approve when people want to join, or if anyone can join it. Simply press here if you have 100 Robux, and you'll create the group. That's basically how you can do it, guys. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.